I'm gonna be doing my nails with this.
Yeah.
I'm going to be using this, which is this, and then I have my glue from dollar store. Alright, let's go.
You're going.
Just gonna be buffing my nails, buff it a little bit. Which I already did earlier, so I'm just doing it again. Okay. Wiping it clean.
Mommy, this one. There's only one. There's two more, Mommy. These two equals
Okay, go put that back. I don't need that right now. Thank you, my love. Go put that down.
Equals two.
Alright, so the next thing is I already match my nails here. So I'm gonna get this glue.
It hurts.
I'm gonna get it out. So I'm gonna just have this glue
Mommy,
and just
they're cool.
put it on my nail.
What is that colorful, Mommy?
Now take this. You have to be careful so you can have a neat. And I'm just gonna press it down. This is it here, and I'm just gonna press it down. You can blow it if you want. As a matter of fact, I have a fan, and I'm going to use
Where?
to blow it while I press it down.
Are the fans charged, Mommy?
Yeah, I charged it already. Okay.
Mommy, a hot too. A hot. It's very hot, Mommy.
I'm going to do the second part.
Take it, Mommy.
I already have my glue. And then just press it down. It's lifting and just press it down. Be careful so your hands don't touch the glue, because then. Alright, so this is the last one I'm doing right now. I'm going to show you guys. This is it. I'm not done yet. I'm still going to file it. This is the little tips. I'm going to file it so I can have it clean. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm doing the last one, which is my little pinky. I already did both hands, so this is the last one. Alright,
Mommy?
my dry hands. So this is what it looks like. So the next thing is I'm going to be filing it. You can see it a little bit. Right now I'm going to file it just to the top, the tip of it, because it has a little chip. So I'm just going to file it. See that? I'm going to add the builder's gel, which helps the French tip from chipping.
My dad, Mommy.
So that's what I'm.
What's that, Mommy?
Okay, see. Thank you. Okay. Let that for like a few seconds. So this is the next one, number 2. This is the top coat. So I'm gonna also use that. It's morning. I know. It's not morning. It's 2 p.m.
Huh?
It's time for nap.
No, I don't want to take a nap.
Okay.
Look, Mommy. It's too morning.
All right. It's morning. All right. So this is that.
It's too morning time.
Okay.
And the morning come back. I wake up.
Okay, Ryan.
That how did do that magic, Mommy? How?
I don't know. Ask God.
Mommy.
Yes. How does morning and night come? Alright, so that's the top coat. I'm going to put that in again for like 20 seconds.
It's not time.
Alright, so this is done. I am going to do the second one and I'll come back to show you guys. So this is the first one I'm using, which is the Builder's Gel. This helps the white tip from chipping.
I want to see too.
Prevent it from chipping. So I'm going to add that.
I want to see too.
Alright, so this is dry, which is the Builder's Gel. I'm going to add the oh my goodness, the top coat to it. Right more.
Mommy, that's thing.
Which is gonna give it that glossy look or shine to it. Wait. Silly boy. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in again. Mr. Man, so this is
Why
done.
do you want these phone case,
I'm
Mommy?
going to moisturize my hands with this coconut, Afalari coconut mango, because I have dry hands. And I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Guys, just look at that. I don't know how. I just saved myself $55. Can you see that, boy? I just saved myself $55 that I can use for some lunch tomorrow. Go get me some nice, you know, I need some more of this. Can this boy just can this boy just move? Just look at that shine. I need to drink more water. I don't know how to show you guys, but this will last me 2 weeks. This saves me $60 minimum. What do you guys think? Let me know.